What are some activities you like to do?
I like swimming. I usually watch TV on the evening. Sometimes I bake apple pies.
What are some good habits that you have?
I always get up early. I do exercise very much. I guess I'm a real fitness freak. I don't drink soda and I eat a lot of vegetables.
What are some things you do every day?
I get up at 5 a.m., I go to work by bus at 7 a.m. I come back home at 5 p.m., and I have dinner at 8 p.m. every day.
Do you have any bad habits?
Yes, I have. I often stay up late. I usually drink a lot of coffee, and I never clean my room. It drives my mom mad.
What is something you eat almost every day?
I eat a sandwich, apple, and vegetable every day.
What do you do at your job?
I'm a baker and I make bread.
Is there anything you do only once a year?
I celebrate my birthday. I visit my brother once a year.
What is something you do about once every month?
I have a haircut every month.
What do you do in your free time?
I play the piano and sometimes I go to the cinema.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more learning English videos. See you later.